Oklahoma Attorney General Scott Pruitt vowed to continue fighting the proposed climate change rules in court. Pruitt and other conservatives testified before a Senate subcommittee on Tuesday. The Oklahoma Attorney General was fighting a proposal by the Environmental Protection Agency requiring existing power plants to reduce their carbon dioxide emissions by 30% over the next 15 years. Pruitt says the EPA is using an obscure section of the law to tell states what mix of sources they can use to generate electricity. In addition, he accused the White House of pushing requirements of states far beyond the traditional boundaries.
Let me just ask Attorney General Pruitt, is climate change a problem anywhere in the world?
Senator, I think that the process matters that the EPA engages in to address these issues.
And but I didn't ask you a process question. I asked you a question about whether climate change is a real problem anywhere in the world.
I think the question about climate action plan of the president, climate change, is something that's a policy consideration of this Congress. If you want EPA to address that in a direct way, you can amend the Clean Air Act to provide that authority and the statutory power to do so that the states can know how to conduct themselves in a way that is consistent with statutory construction.
So to be clear, neither of the Attorney Generals present will concede that climate change is a real problem anywhere in the world.
Senator, I think it's immaterial to discussions about the legal framework of the Clean Air Act.
Immaterial or not, I get to ask questions, and so it's material to my question. All right, let's go on to something else.
However, a prominent environmental law attorney, Lisa Heinzerling, says the proposal gives states a choice. Heinzerling says states can devise their own plan to meet specific targets set by the EPA, or the agency can create a plan for states. Final rules on the Clean Power Plan will be announced this summer.